Have you ever wondered how your body keeps your blood sugar level stable, even when you haven't eaten for hours? That's where a process called gluconeogenesis comes in. It's your body's way of making sugar from non-sugar sources. Let's break it down in a super simple way. Gluconeogenesis literally means creating new glucose. It's like your body's emergency backup system that kicks in when you're not eating carbs. This happens mainly in your liver and a bit in your kidneys. But instead of using carbs, your body uses other stuff like lactate from muscles, amino acids from protein, and glycerol from fat. These ingredients are turned into glucose, which then powers your brain, red blood cells, and muscles. Gluconeogenesis is vital when you're fasting, dieting, or doing intense exercise. Without it, your brain and red blood cells could run out of energy. And trust me, they don't like that. So what are the raw materials used to make glucose? Lactate from hardworking muscles. Amino acids, mostly from muscle breakdown. Glycerol from fat breakdown. These all go to the liver, which acts like a glucose factory. Now, let's peek inside the process. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. The goal is to turn these non-sugar molecules into pyruvate or oxaloacetate, and then eventually into glucose. Here's how it flows. 1. Lactate converted to pyruvate. 2. Amino acids also become pyruvate or intermediates in the Krebs cycle. 3. Glycerol becomes dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, a building block of glucose. Then, a series of enzyme reactions convert these molecules step by step back into glucose. Gluconeogenesis mainly happens in the liver, but a smaller part also happens in the kidneys, especially during long fasting or starvation. And here's what's cool. The exact steps can vary depending on the location. In the liver, gluconeogenesis is more active and uses all the major inputs: lactate, amino acids, and glycerol. It sends glucose into the bloodstream to fuel the whole body. The liver contains the enzyme glucose 6-phosphatase, which is crucial for releasing free glucose into the blood. Muscle cells, on the other hand, don't have this enzyme, so they can't send glucose out. They keep it for themselves. In the kidneys, gluconeogenesis becomes more important during prolonged fasting. It mainly uses glutamine as a fuel source and helps maintain blood pH by dealing with acid-base balance at the same time. There are special enzymes that help gluconeogenesis go in reverse, like pyruvate carboxylase, PEP carboxygenase fructose, 1,6-bisphosphatase glucose 6-phosphatase. These guys help unlock certain steps that glycolysis lock down. Gluconeogenesis kicks in during fasting, after about 12 to 16 hours, on low-carb or ketogenic diets, during intense exercise, in certain medical conditions like diabetes. It's controlled by hormones like glucagon and cortisol, which tell your liver, hey, make more glucose. So to sum up, gluconeogenesis is your body's way of making sugar when there's none around. It uses stuff like lactate, amino acids, and glycerol. It mostly happens in the liver and helps keep your brain and body running. It's a superhero process that keeps your blood sugar stable, even when you skip breakfast. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple science breakdowns. Until next time, keep your cells energized and your curiosity alive. Keep learning and exploring.